Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only wanted a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. It's always been a puzzle, I guess. So let's break a little bread and remember what I said. Come on. That way. Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. I really think we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces of twinkling in somebody's sky. I really hope we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. I like to think we're getting somewhere. Now let's break a little bread so that we can say we gave it a try. I really hope we're getting somewhere with just tiny little pieces of twinkling in somebody's sky.
We loved so fully, but I'm afraid to forget. I'll think of you when I fall asleep in my bed. You love so fully, such a spark of brilliance. Though it's hard to part ways, I'll keep you here with me. On and on we see there's something we don't know. You and my first love, and I can't ever let you go. Thinking of all of our time in the soft breeze. Not a lot of love can withstand what we went through. You make me dream. Time flew so quickly. You touched me so deeply. I can't understand why a season's all we can keep. Time to let you go. I still dream of you at night. I think of all the lessons that I learned from you. On and on we see there's something we don't know. You were my first love, and I can't ever let you go. Thinking of all of our